In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see liked posts on the LinkedIn app. This is a handy process for when you want to revisit content you enjoyed, track interesting discussions, or simply keep tabs on your personal interactions on the platform. Let's dive right into it and get started with the steps. First, grab your device and navigate to LinkedIn.com. If you're using the LinkedIn app, ensure it's updated to the latest version for the optimum experience. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, you'll need to sign in. You can choose to log in using Google, Microsoft, or your email address and password, whichever is most convenient for you. Make sure to keep your login details nearby as you journey through this process. Also, ensure you have a reliable internet connection to ensure everything runs smoothly. If you've set up two-factor authentication, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your account with a code sent to your phone. This is a crucial security step meant to protect your personal information. If prompted, simply enter the code and you'll be swiftly redirected to your LinkedIn feed. Now that you are logged in, focus your attention on the upper right-hand corner of the screen, where your profile avatar is located. Give it a click and a drop-down menu will appear with various options related to your profile. From here, you'll want to select View Profile. This is an essential step to accessing your LinkedIn activities. Once you are on your personal profile page, scroll down until you reach the section labeled Activity. LinkedIn stores all the actions you've engaged in here, including every post you've interacted with. Don't worry. We're almost there. Within the Activity section, you'll notice an option labeled Show All Activity. Tap on it. By selecting this, you'll be taken to a comprehensive list of your recent activities. This includes posts you've liked, commented on, and even those you've shared with your network. However, our focus here is on the posts you've liked. To narrow down your view, look for the filtering options within the All Activity section and tap on Reactions. This specific filter will neatly arrange your activity page to display only the posts you've liked. This streamlined view is ideal for revisiting inspiring content, tracking discussions, or simply reminiscing about the content you found particularly noteworthy. And there you have it. Now you can easily access all the posts you've liked on LinkedIn, bringing all the content you appreciate right to your fingertips. Whether you are exploring this feature for professional reasons or personal interest, it's an excellent way to stay connected with the content and individuals that matter most to you on LinkedIn. Thank you for watching and enjoy browsing through your liked posts.